Hello guys, I am Neil Dave and today I am here to explain you my project which is PDF file. So let's start. As you can see here, this is the source code of my project. From the name itself, you can clear that this project is based on working with PDF files more easily and efficiently. So at first I like to give you a small demo of my project so everyone can able to understand easily. So this is the output of my project. You can see here many different buttons which are the features of my project. If a user want to reduce the size of any PDF file, then he or she can. If you want to merge 2 or 3 or more PDF files into one, then you can also able to do that. If you want to add a password, convert the PDF file into Word file or image, whether it is a JPG or PNG, into the PDF, you can do it. If you want to add the watermark, you can also able to perform it. If you want to split PDF pages, for example, there are 100 pages in PDF file and you only want page number 15 to 20, then you can also able to access that. If you want to rotate any particular page number of from the PDF, then you can also able to rotate it. So this is mainly outline of my project. So let's deep dive into it. These all are the libraries that I imported. First one is the Tkinter, which is used for the GUI purpose. As you can see here, different buttons, white screen. Second one is the PyPDF2, which is used for working with the PDF files. PDF writer and reader, which is used for reading and writing the PDF files. Converter, which is used to convert the PDF into Word or image into the PDF file. PDF file reader, writer and merger. This particular file is necessary for working with the PDF files as a read, write and merge options. I also import time and OS. So these are all about the libraries. I also create a different function for different buttons. As you can see, if someone click the merge PDF button, then this particular function will call. So I like to explain each button and according to that particular function. So if a user want to reduce this size, then he or she have to click here the reduce size button, go to that particular folder and select that file. So in the output you can see a new file of name smaller.pdf is created in this folder. If I check the folder, then you can see here the smaller.pdf file is created and you can also able to see the size 290 KB. Earlier it was 310 KB, so size is reduced. If I open it, so you can see here the content is also same as the previous one. So now let's understand the code of it. So this is the code of the reduce size button. If I explain it short, then this will create a separate PDF file and copy all the pages of the previous PDF file to the new created PDF files so that the size will be reduced. You can able to see here the pages are copied and I give the name as smaller.pdf and I print the success message here. Let's go for the next option, merge PDF. If you want to merge 2 or 3 or more PDFs, then you can. Suppose I want to merge 2 PDFs, then you have to write 2 and press enter. Here you have to select the folder and PDF file. Suppose I select this one and second one is this one. Open. You can see here the new success message that a new file of name merge.pdf is created. If I check the folder, you can see merge_pdf is created. So you can able to merge 2 or 3 files using this or more files using this. If you want to add the password, then you can also do that. You have to just click on the add password button, select particular folder and select that file. Here you have to write your password. Suppose I want to add the password like Python, Python. So you have to write that particular spelling only and give enter. Then you see is a new PDF file is created. When you open it, it is loading. Here you have to write the password. If you write some wrong password, then it will not open. You have to write the correct one. I write Python, and then only you can able to access that PDF file. So this will increase the security of your files. If I go on the next option, which is a conversion of PDF into the Word file. Suppose I want to convert this particular PDF file into the Word file, then I have to select it. And here you can see this converting process is started. It will take 2 or 3 seconds. See, you can see the pages are converting. The process is terminated, means the see here the smaller doc is created here just 1 second ago. I am going to open that. See here the PDF is converted into the Word. For example, you can if you want to change it, then you can. Suppose this is not practical one, this is practical number 12, then you can also able to change it because it is a PDF. So if you created a mistake and then created a PDF, then you have to convert it into the Word file. So using this, you can easily able to do that. So I explained the first lines. So let's deep dive into the code. I already explained the reduce size function. Now about the merge file. Here I created a first empty list, which is PDF files, and then I asked the user for numbers of files that he or she want to merge it. And I created a for loop which will append all the files into this empty list. And then using the merger file that I imported previously in the library, from the library, I merge all the PDF files into one and name it at merge underscore file.pdf and print the success message. So now let's understand the password function. Firstly, here file name, this variable will select the folder and the file path that the user want to access it. From this open function, I open that file, and from password variable, I take the password from the user and created a file name. This is underscore pdf dot underscore protected dot pdf. Now let's understand the convert function. Same here, I select the file which users provide to us and created a different doc file and gave it the name sample.doc and copied all the pages, means all the content of PDF file into the Word file and save it. You can see here. So now let's understand the below line code. Suppose if you want to rotate any particular page number from the PDF, you can. Just you have to click in the rotate button, select that file, and here you have to write that page number. Suppose I want to rotate the page number 6, then I have to write 6 and press enter. You can see the success message. Rotate.pdf file is created. If I go here, see here, a rotate.pdf is created, and here the page is completely rotated. You can also able to see this. Using this function, you can perform this. If you want to split the PDF pages, then you can also do that. Just you have to select that file and write the page range. Suppose I want to access page number 4 to 10, then you can just you have to write 4-10 and press enter. See, output.pdf file is created. If I go in my folder, here it is output.pdf file, and you can see here page number 4, 5 till 10. A separate PDF is created from the page number which I desire. This will also very beneficial. If you want to add a particular watermark, suppose I want to add this watermark to any PDF, then I can using this option, add watermark option. You just have to select that particular PDF that you want to create, and see here a success message is pop up. You have to open that file. See, now the watermark you can visible. I open the previous one so that you can easily able to find the difference. See, earlier there was no watermark and I add the watermark. So using this option you can also able to add the watermark. If you want to convert the image into the PDF, then you can, whether it is a JPG or PDF, you can perform it. Just you have to specific here. You want to convert JPG or PNG. Suppose I will perform the JPG conversion, and you have to write JPG and select that file. I have this file. I select it, and here a success message will be pop up. See, image.pdf is created. If I go in the image.pdf file, you can see here a new PDF file is created of name image underscore PDF. So these all are options which are provided here so that you can work with the PDF file easily and more efficiently. So this all about my project. Let's understand some code of this second line. So this is a rotate code. I just means I asked for the page number here and rotate it using the dot rotate function to 90 degree so that it will be rotated. If I go for split function, then here I firstly created a new PDF file of name output.pdf. Take the variable name page underscore range, which will be take the range, and I run the for loop and merge that all the pages from the range to that particular PDF that I created here and pop up the success message. Now let's understand the watermark code. Here firstly I created a watermark.pdf file which will contain our watermark, and then I created new PDF file of name merge.pdf which will be contain our output. And here I merge both the files into the one so that our watermark will be covered. Here I print the success message. Similarly about the image file. Firstly I select the image type means whether it is a JPG or PNG, and run the if else condition and select that file JPG or PNG. You can able to see it. And here created a new PDF file of name image.pdf, and using insert image function which I imported from the previous library as I mentioned above, I inserted the image into the Word file, into the PDF file. So that's about my project. I hope you like it. The code, source code of this project is given in the description box. GitHub link. You can able to check it and access this code. Thanks for the listening me. At last, I just want to say that always be a runner. Thanks. Bye. Thanks for listening me.